and one set carrying of 11 chromosome. 11 chromosome. Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Kumar. Today I bring another topic about banana cultivation. The major regions in India where we are producing banana. What are the methods of propagation? Means whether is there any seed or vegetative means of propagation, or how to ripe the banana, what are the major problems that associated with banana. So currently whatever banana we are consuming or that is available in the market, technically it is hybrid variety of wild variety Musha acuminata. Musha acuminata. Crossbreeding led to Cavendish. There is also another wild variety, that is Musha balbisiana. Musha acuminata generally soft and sweet. Musha balbisiana generally tough and not so sweet. So what happens? This Cavendish variety of banana, this is triploid. Generally what happens? Two wild varieties of Musa acuminata. This Musa acuminata consisting of 22 chromosomes. Means one set of chromosome given by each parent. So two set of chromosome consisting of total 22 chromosomes. So this Musa acuminata consisting two set of chromosome and one set carrying of 11 chromosome. 11 chromosome. Just like correlate with the human being. Human being consists of 46 chromosome. One set of chromosome consisting of 23 and 23 means from the mother 23 chromosomes are granted. From the father side 23 chromosomes are provided. So offspring may receive total 46 chromosome. Similarly, two sets of chromosome generally given by each parent 11 with 2. So in diploid condition there should be total 22 sets of chromosome. But technically due to natural error during crossbreeding, what happens? One parent here provided 22 chromosome and another parent provided 11 chromosome. So it consisting of total 33 chromosome, means it consisting of 3 sets of chromosome. It consisting of 3 sets of chromosome. Total 33 chromosome. This Cavendish Musha acuminata. Musha acuminata on its own in the wild, there are also methods of genetic editing etc. that are very complex. But what happens due to genetic error? Due to mutation, there is no reduction of chromosome. One parent granted entire copy of chromosome, that is 22, and another 11. So consisting of 33. Technically, these are unpaired chromosome. That's why it is sterile. It is sterile and it is the seedless. It is seedless banana. Now, banana propagation. In banana propagation, banana generally used to propagate it through vegetative methods. Means we take here this sword sucker. Water suckers, generally new shoots started around the base or chrome of the banana plant. Then these started to grow upward. So when these shoots run parallelly along the chrome, along the base, that is stem. The natural stem is this of banana. Whatever overside of banana, you notice this stem. It is technically the pseudo stem. Pseudo means it is a false stem because this stem is made up of sheath of leaves. Means leaves are tightly packed together and forming the pseudo stem, forming a false stem. So sucker likely to grow upward. Now, these are the sword sucker. These are sword sucker which generally preferred for the propagation. Which preferred for the propagation. These are the sword suckers. After that, you also have the water suckers. How they are different from the water suckers? Generally, sword suckers, their shoots likely to be of very sharp edge. It is sharp edge. Sword suckers. So, plant likely to be propagated with the help of sword suckers. Here, there are water suckers consisting of more amount of water. Means these are new shoots which started to grow along the base. We dig them out and we throw. We do not use for the propagation. These are not helpful. Why we do not use? Generally, they are not suitable for production of banana. If we started to grow these suckers, water suckers, then overall production of banana is not very desirable. Yeah, overall growth of banana is not excellent. This is your chrome. Now, for multiple shoots, growing the multiple shoots, you can cross. You can cut this base chrome. So, this is your water sucker. Now, preparing sucker for the planting chrome, or we called it pairing. So, for pairing purpose, you need to clean this sucker because sucker consisting of soil as well as there are dead leaves. Generally remove all the outer leaves which may attract fungi or certain bacteria which further impacted the overall growth of the plant. So, you need to remove all the outer parts, the dry leaves and the roots. Then you need to develop in this form. Further, this carbendazole 50% you can apply so that no fungus attack likely to be accepted or occur within banana propagation, banana plantation. Now here, look at this. The largest production of banana inside India. So primarily Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra and your Telangana, Odisha, several states, generally most of the southern state, northeastern state, they are producing the banana. Southern state or western state are leading in banana production. Now looking at the temperature, suitable temperature for the banana likely to be around 10 degrees Celsius to near about 40 degrees Celsius. Means minimum to maximum. There is no freezing condition, there is no very scorching heat, maybe 50%, 50 degrees Celsius temperature. Now average temperature seems to be around 23 degrees Celsius. Generally in southern India, most of the time, in several states, generally around the coastal areas, this 23 degrees Celsius temperature seems to be very much normal temperature. Then altitude, 1500 meter altitude. 1500 meter altitude. At this altitude, banana likely to be produced. Now, check whether your banana is progressing well, or is there any symptoms or disease which likely to affect over the banana. So for that purpose, you need to extract some sucker, your root. Then you notice, are there some knots? Are there some knots within the banana roots? So generally what happens, nematode generally grow in the soil when there is continuous more wet condition, less penetration of sun rays, when you do not allow sufficient amount of sun rays. And when you notice that most of the time the soil remain wet and there is propagation of the nematodes, then nematodes enter or develop into the roots of the plant and they develop knot. Then some of the female nematodes may lay egg, etc. And this is adult male nematode, juvenile stage. This is juvenile stage 2. And root node nematodes, they suck the sap of the roots. Sap means they suck the liquid of the roots. So your roots like this, then your plant likely to be experience very stunted growth. It does not receive the fruit, while most of the branches likely to be spread very much horizontally, or this is the dwarf plant, may not achieve the height if it is affected by the nematodes. So this is severe condition of the nematodes. Severe conditions of the nematodes. For that purpose, carbofuran 3G you can apply, or monocroton you can apply for controlling the nematodes. Then plant likely to be grow in better way. Now, pit preparation, 45 centimeter cube pit you need to dig for putting the sucker, the salt sucker into the field. So pit preparation, organic manure, neem cake you can apply. Neem cake is also helpful in controlling the nematodes. Yeah, different kind of pest, organic manure generally support rapid propagation of your banana. Then linden for treating banana, you can use this linden. So that's all for today in this banana section. Thank you very much.